Hi. Guess what? I'm going to work on you with energy healing, and I'm not even going to use any crystals because sometimes it's just wonderful to use your hands and to feel the energy with your hands. And it's a different layer, it's a different way of working. And I want to see, I've had a lot of insight into the energetic dynamics and especially the structure of the energy field, and I want a chance to play. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okie doke. Alright, I'll just start by tuning into you. I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to tune in for a moment. And I'm getting directed to tune in my usual fashion, which is at the feet. So let me do that. It's interesting because I can feel quite a strong left-right imbalance. And I'm asking your system and the energetics and whoever else is here to help, what is that? And it's Jamie has a push and a pull going on. One side of her is being pushed and the other side of her is being pulled. And it's in different directions, and that's what's causing the left-right imbalance. Is that accurate?
Yes, it's very accurate.
Okay. So what we're going to do is just smooth things out and blend the energy field so that all of your energy field is moving in the same direction, so that's more harmonious, because to have a push in the one direction and a pull in another direction, that is a very, very conflicted and pulled about feeling and not at all pleasant. So the good news is that just by simply adjusting a few energetics, we can get rid of that kind of sensation. And so that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to start by smoothing the energy field. So the energy field, the most outermost layer is the spiritual layer. And it does need to have a smooth, integrated aspect to it so that literally that holds you safe. If it gets a little bit roughened and it gets a little bit split, the same as if your skin gets rough and split, that's not good. That's how invasive dynamics can enter. And so just by checking that for that smooth quality and working to get that smooth quality, we can get a better feeling going. And I'm actually going to wipe the soles of your feet clear, because I think that that's what you need. Yeah, that makes a difference, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of nice. The thing that's interesting about feet is that some people don't like to have their feet touched, but other people can't relax until their feet are touched. And I would say you're in that category, so I'm not going to waste any time. I'm just going to go in and ask your feet to start relaxing. And this is where one wants to be very sensible. If you're not a massage therapist, you don't do massage, but this is just a normal squeezing of the feet. It's very comforting, and the kind of thing that you just do for people that you care about. And a lot of healing comes through when you do things that are caring and gentle. That's it. It's so interesting because having worked on this foot, this one is different. It's resonated in some way.
My left foot is having a gout flare.
Oh, a gout flare. Is it here in this part?
It's actually more where I've had more surgeries. It left the big toe, but now it's inside of the foot.
Oh, in here.
Mm-hmm.
Makes me want to do crystal surgery, but I promised to do energy healing, so next time we'll actually open that up and release the inflammation. But in the meantime, I think we can support your body just very nicely to get more comfortable, because you can certainly feel that bubble of tension in there, but now it feels different actually.
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
Yes.
I'm not imagining that. It's got a completely different shape and feeling already.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit of TLC goes a long way, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah. So very much what's coming through is that I should do laying on of hands to begin with, as opposed to working in the energy field. So I'm actually going to start here on the right leg, and I'm just going to do a little bit of laying on of hands. And that's, usually when I put hands on people, I'm going to do the Alexander technique, but when I'm doing laying on of hands, I'm actually channeling spirit healing coming through me. And it's a different technique, it's a different practice. I just open my heart chakra and allow the spirits to come through. Powerful, isn't it? Wow. The actual vibration coming through, isn't there? I'm going to be careful not to get in too much of a trance, because it will be a few hours later before I come out. There's a lot of emotion trapped in this calf muscle, so I'm just going to do a little holding of this tissue, and I'm going to ask the spirits to do the releasing through the calf tissue. There it goes. Does that have a sensation for you, Jamie?
It's going down into the foot.
Okay, so the channel did open up. There. And of course, when one's doing laying on of hands, you want to place your hands on the bones. So the femur is inside here. That's it. Ooh, that's nice. Beautiful. It's really different, isn't it?
Yes.
It's interesting because usually when I have my hands on someone, I'm obviously going to do the Alexander technique, and just allowing something completely different to flow through is, it's kind of a spiritual experience. It feels sacred. It feels amazing. And by me getting out of the way and just being an agent and allowing, really let some different things happen from if I were trying to control what was happening. So I think what I want to do now is just open the chakras and rebalance them a little bit, and I think that that's going to be enough to tell you the truth. So let's start here at the root chakra. We always have to remember that sometimes less is more. Not always, but frequently. That's it. And I have to take care to make sure that I'm turning with this part of my hand is connecting correctly there. Just by re-engaging consciously like that, I got a better effect going. That's really nice. Wow. Got my hand tingling. This big advantage of these long arms, so I may as well take advantage. That's it. Cool. Nice flow from chakra to chakra. I'm very interested in the space between the chakras and think that that's got a lot of dynamic to it as well. So if that area is not allowing the chakras to overlap with each other, then it's going to disrupt flow in the body too. That's very nice. There we go. So this is where the split is right in the heart chakra. And I can feel myself re-blending it. That's really good. Now the throat. Third eye. And wow, your crown is able to expand. So that's very, very good. I prefer to use my right hand. Crown chakra. Try with my left hand, see how I manage. Alright, see, doing it with the non-dominant hand gets me to be more aware and systematic, so that's quite a good dynamic too. Right, I think I want to bring some energy from your crown chakra into your heart, so I'm going to just tip that balance a little bit and just pump from the crown. That's it. Oh yeah, I'm just remembering now that you do need heart support, heart chakra support. It's just part of who you are. There we go. How's it feel?
Extraordinary.
Oh, extraordinary. Like energizing or?
Yes, very energizing and very freeing.
Yeah, because this is specifically where that split was. Let's see if we go solar plexus to crown. Now go solar plexus to heart. Yes, that helps too. Yeah. It's too much here, not enough here. Very good.
Feels more blended and balanced.
Yes. Actually, that's good that you said blended and balanced. I think I will do some blending. And I'm going to get from the root chakra into the heart as well. And maybe I'll just blend the entire energy field. To crown. That's good. Alright, and we'll finish by holding the feet and making sure you're grounded.